Okay everyone, welcome back to Mike's Yoga channel and welcome to this cozy morning yoga for beginners. When you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin coming into a seated position with one foot in front of the other. Your hands can rest on your knees or in your lap. And from here, start to close your eyes and just simply come back to your breath. Inhale and exhale. Keeping your eyes closed, I want you to see if you can tap into some of your other senses, starting with your hearing. So see if you can notice any sounds that are coming in your room or outside. Maybe you hear air coming out of the vents, or a motorcycle driving by, or dog barking. Just notice here. And moving to our smell, see if you can smell any fragrances or anything in your room. And then moving to touch, so see if you can really feel the yoga mat that you're sitting on. Notice how your hands feel resting on your knees or in your lap. Feel the ground beneath you. From here, you can start to open your eyes once again. From here, on your next inhale, let's bring our hands up towards the sky. And exhale, let's twist to our right. So bringing our right hand, right arm behind you, acting as a second spine. Your left hand can rest on your right thigh. Just make sure you avoid the right knee here. And then from here, on your next inhale, lengthen the spine, and exhale, twist. On your next exhale, come back to center. Again, let's inhale, lift our hands up towards the sky. Exhale, twisting to our left, bringing the left hand, left arm behind you, acting as a second spine, letting your right hand rest on your left thigh, just making sure you avoid that left knee. And as you inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist. Exhale, come back to center. From here, let's come into an extended child's pose. Take your time getting there. So let's bring our knees as wide as the mat, letting the big toes touch behind you. And then from here, start to walk your hands out in front of you, letting your forehead rest in the mat here. Really breathing into the back body. And then on your next exhale, let's shift forward and we'll come into a high cobra. So keeping our hands stacked underneath our shoulders, fingers are spread wide, and then just open up your chest, open up your heart. Feel free to roll your shoulders back, open up even more. Keep that core slightly engaged. Breathe. then from here on your next exhale, let's curl the toes, shift the hips up, coming into downward facing dog. And feel free to pedal out the feet, really waking up the back of the legs here. Feeling a nice stretch in our hamstrings and our calves. And then from here, let's find a neutral position. We'll hang out here for a few breaths. From here, start to heel toe, walk the feet up behind the hands. And keeping the knees bent nice and generously, let's take a forward fold here. And then from here on your next inhale, keeping the knees bent, let's slowly start to roll it up. Stacking the spine. Your chin is the last to lift. Coming into a mountain pose, roll your shoulders back here. Great job, you guys. From here, let's come to the top of the mat if we're not there already. And we'll do a few rounds of sun salutations. So on our next inhale, let's bring the hands up towards the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Hips stay elevated, elbows hug in. And on your next inhale, come into a baby cobra, keeping the gaze down, no wrinkles in the neck here. And then exhale, come back to downward facing dog, breathe. And on your next inhale, let's come up on the tiptoes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. Let's keep it going. On your next inhale, hands up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat, elbows hug in, hips stay elevated. Inhale, baby cobra, gaze down. Exhale, downward facing dog. On your next inhale, come up on the tiptoes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. Great job, you guys. Let's do one more round. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now from here on your next inhale, let's lift that right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the right knee, step the right foot up in between the hands. And from here, let's pivot the left foot 90 degrees and air guitar our left arm up, coming into a warrior two pose. And in this warrior two, let's make sure to keep this right knee over the right ankle and keeping the right heel in line with the left arch. From here, arms come to a T, look forward. And on your next inhale, let's reach back, coming into peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down, step it back to downward facing dog. When you're ready, let's take it over to the other side. Inhale, lift that left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the left knee. Step the left foot up in between the hands. Pivot the right foot 90 degrees. Air guitar that right arm up. Coming into warrior two. And again, let's keep this left knee over left ankle, left heel in line with the right arch. Arms to a T, look forward, breathe. On your next inhale, let's reach back, coming into peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down, step it back to downward facing dog, breathe. From here, let's lower the knees down, keeping the knees together, and slide our hands down our mats. We'll come into a child's pose here. Again, letting our forehead rest in the mat. And on our next exhale, let's slowly release. From here, let's make our way onto our backs. And once we get to our backs, let's keep the soles of the feet rooted in the mat here. And on our next inhale, let's simply just shift the hips up, coming into a bridge pose. You can shimmy the shoulders underneath you, clasp the hands together. Now let's try to make sure our knees are in one line. So you don't want your knees coming out to the sides. You want them nice and straight. If you have a block, you can place it in between your knees. And on your next inhale, let's bring our arms up towards the sky. Come up on the tiptoes. Exhale, slowly lower the spine down to the mat. From here, we'll take a constructive rest. So bringing the feet as wide as the mat and letting the knees knock in towards each other. Give that one hand rest on your belly, the other one on your heart. From here, on your next exhale, slowly release. From here, we'll come into a reclined butterfly. So bringing the soles of the feet together. You can keep your hands where they are, one hand on your belly, the other one on your heart, or you can let them rest down by your sides. I encourage you to close your eyes here and just come back to your breath. And on your next exhale, let's extend the legs out long, coming into final Shavasana. And I encourage you to stay here for as long as you like, or if you want, we can rock up into a seated position of your choice. And wherever you are, let's bring your hands together at our heart. Thank you all so much for sharing your time and your energy with me. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe for weekly videos just like this one. From here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.